Welcome to another featured food lesson from Oregon State University and Food Hero. Hey there, Everett. What should we talk about today? Today's lesson is all about keeping food safe. We'll spend our time in the kitchen and learn about washing produce, storing food safely, preventing bacteria from spreading, kitchen cleaning, and I'll share a recipe that you can try at home. So let's get started. We are going to switch up our video a bit today and start with the recipe. Today we are making stir-fry noodles with peanut sauce. Before we get started, let's review our kitchen safety rules. Remember to always ask an adult for help and wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. For the stir-fry noodles with peanut sauce recipe, we will need water, ramen-style noodles, chicken breast, peanut butter, soy sauce, red pepper flakes, ginger, carrot, cabbage, and green onion. Let's begin by prepping the vegetables. Washing fruits and veggies is a great way for kids to help in the kitchen. Kids can gently rub soft foods like berries, cabbage, and green onion, rinsing in cool water. Kids can also use a clean veggie brush for hard veggies such as ginger root and carrots. We will chop up the veggies and put them to the side while we prepare the meat. Oh, Everett, are you wondering if we wash meat for food safety? Nope. When we cook meat properly, it kills any bacteria that might be on the meat. Bacteria is a type of germ that is so tiny we can't see it or smell it. What we do know is that when we take steps to keep food safe, bacteria will be controlled. One step we can take is to use a thermometer to know when our meat is cooked properly. Before we use it, let's test the thermometer. Using a glass filled with ice water, we can see if the thermometer registers 32 degrees. That's the temperature of the water. Yay! It's 32 degrees and it's working properly. If the thermometer didn't work, we would look up the manufacturer directions and reset the thermometer. Let's prep our chicken. We have enough for the stir fry and some left over to marinate. We can put that in a bowl. After we've cut the chicken up, wash hands. Always wash your hands immediately after touching raw eggs, raw meat, and raw fish. That is how we prevent the spread of bacteria. Store marinating meat in the refrigerator, which keeps bacteria from growing. Use a container that won't leak and keep it on the bottom shelf. That prevents meat juices from spilling and contaminating other foods. After marinating, throw out the marinade. Bacteria from raw meat juice can contaminate the marinade. Next, let's cook and find more ways to keep food safe. We have noodles and meat cooking. Let's test our meat to see if it's cooked completely. Different foods are cooked to different temperatures. We have our Food Hero cooking chart right here, and we can see that chicken is cooked thoroughly at 165 degrees. The thermometer is sharp, the meat is hot. Ask an adult to put the thermometer into the thickest part of the meat. The thermometer reads 165 degrees. It's time to add the veggies and noodles. When you are finished using your thermometer, wash it up with warm soapy water. Washing cutting boards and knives in hot soapy water prevents the spread of bacteria. And when you're finished with the dishes, clean your sponge. Simply put your wet sponge in the microwave on high for 1 minute. Let it cool before you pick it up, or wash the sponge in your dishwasher. That will work too. We are ready to eat. One more hand washing before dinner. Awesome, dinner looks great, and I see you've brought out a Food Hero conversation card. How large is the world's largest mushroom? It is in Oregon and believed to be about 3.5 miles across. Fun. Back to the kitchen for one more task. Always remember to get your leftovers in the refrigerator within 2 hours and wash hands when you're finished in the kitchen. Go to foodhero.org to find the stir-fry noodle with peanut sauce recipe, fun activities like color sheets and the conversation cards. Look for the Keep Food Safe Monthly, plus find the food safety tip button and learn more. There you will also find the food cooking temperature chart. Great job today, food heroes. You've earned your Keep Food Safe stamp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.